Lorenz Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning is your locally owned and operated Trane Comfort Specialist. Not only do we install quality Trane equipment, but we service and repair all brands and models of HVAC and plumbing products. Striving for customer satisfaction for more than 40 years, Lorenz offers 24-hour emergency service for all your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. If you need a problem solved, call Lorenz Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning today. We would love the opportunity to earn your business.